What's up, everybody? This is Pumpin Diesel right here, bringing to you this 1997 Dodge Ram 3500 dually extended chassis project. This is gonna be one hell of a project here. As you can see, I'm gonna show y'all around. It's actually my first YouTube channel. This is how it looks from the front. We're gonna do it. And this is the flatbed that it had right here. There's a flatbed. There's a couple of pieces there. We'll check it all around. So y'all can see there's what it belonged to before me. This is it right here. That's how it looks right now. This is the bed we did, which is extended long bed chassis. We added a few extra pieces here. You see, we welded right there. This bed, we're gonna put it on this truck. That's how this truck looks. You can see it's a dually. That's how it looks right now. This is how it looks right now, and then we'll see how this project goes. That's how it looks from the inside. It's just seats are just they're trashed. We're gonna put some better seats. This is the roof right here. See, it is trashed as well. But it's a Cummins turbo diesel.